How to easily repair a loose or collapsed receptacle or switch. The receptacle yoke rests correctly on the surface of the plasterboard. The receptacle yoke is not supported on the plasterboard and is deeper than the wall surface. If the edge of the sheetrock cracks after installing the receptacle while inserting the plug, the receptacle will collapse every time the plug is inserted and will be very loose. If this happens, unscrew the receptacle. The spacer will be made from a wire nut. A spacer has been made. Determine the length of the wire nut to be cut off. Cut the wire nut to the desired length. Secure the receptacle to the junction box by placing a cut wire nut between the receptacle yoke and the front edge of the receptacle junction box. A spacer installed between the receptacle yoke and the front edge of the junction box. Thanks to it, the socket or switch will be stable and placed at the appropriate height. Manufactured spacer. You can also use a manufactured spacer. Junction box extender with longer mounting screws. If the junction box is more than 1/4 inch behind the wall finish, a junction box extension must be installed. Then, the prepared spacer should be inserted between the front edge of the receptacle junction box and the junction box extension. If the receptacle or switch is too loose because the screw hole that holds the electrical device in the junction box is too large, use a larger diameter screw to secure the receptacle or switch. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.